All right, guys, the next one's going to be 19-year-old caught at airport with pounds of drugs in her luggage.
4th, 2025. Airport officers were dispatched in response to a call from TSA after a checked suitcase was flagged during screening for an undeclared firearm and suspected marijuana.
Yes, I'm from here.
Is one of your passengers?
Yes.
You know their name?
He has a name.
Where's this at?
That's the undeclared, and we're not 100% sure.
Oh, the vacuum pack. Oh, no.
Atlanta. So let's go ahead and take that. That's 709. What phone number they have?
What unit number vehicle do you have? So hit the picture.
Box? What is that, a gun? Yeah. Unregistered firearm. That's crazy. 19? What are you getting into? This is like the cartel video we just watched. Ooh, the extendo. Oh, goodness. Look at that puppy. Ooh, how many is that? That's like 20 shots? 16, 17 shots? Bro, it's got to be like 20-something shots.
7 bags.
Oh, there's more? Oh, my. She ain't even trying to hide it.
A lot of marijuana.
It's my personal stash. That's just for me. It's a big weekend.
So what happened? Well, the bag alarmed, and I noticed that the bag wasn't properly locked. So I'm going there to assist that. Initial alarm.
You got to see that on the thing. That doesn't not show up, right?
Of course, it was an alarm. It was against our SOP, and we're also looking for a declaration, which wasn't there.
Okay.
And I was looking for the declaration. That's when we noticed these bags. Why did the bag initially alarm? It wasn't properly locked.
Okay.
This thing should be locked.
Because she didn't lock it right. That's why they found it, because she didn't lock it right.
And he had like a wire lock, but they weren't.
Gun locks.
Yeah.
Okay. Gun locks. Yeah. So I can smell it as soon as I walked in here.
So it wasn't fully sealed. I mean, but you could smell it, obviously. I mean, he just said that.
Normally I can't, because I hate the smell of it. So.
Yeah, as soon as I walk right here, I can smell it, even though it was sealed. Now we just got to identify the guy. And
that's not going to stop the smell.
Hey, ain't my back, I didn't do anything. Regardless of what he says, what do you think is a good idea for us to do?
Check video. MCR,
so
see if we got him.
We can get, with the back tag, we can see what time he checked in. We'll know how he looks. And then get an MCR to give us cameras, see him walking with the
Why did I
backpack.
think this was a chick? I thought this was a chick the whole time. I'm sorry. I don't think it is.
Using the baggage tag and airline confirmation number attached to the suitcase, officers were able to identify the passenger associated with the bag. With assistance from airline personnel, the passenger was located at the check-in counter, where officers made contact.
I actually thought this was a 19-year-old girl who had pounds of marijuana in her bag. That's what I thought this was.
She has zone 1? No, but she was in zone 1?
Wilkerson?
Yes.
All right. Hey, can you take off your backpack for me really fast?
Oh, bro, you already know. You already know.
All right. Just put it on the ground. Go ahead and turn around.
You're just being detained at this time.
Let him get the cuffs on, and then we'll tell you what's going on, okay?
Help me. Thank you.
Okay, no chaos.
709, we got one.
Quick, professional.
All right, we can go sit over here. We'll grab your backpack. You can have a seat right here.
Do you have any
Detained,
checked
not
luggage?
arrested.
No.
You don't?
That's all my luggage right there.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. You didn't check a bag?
No.
Okay.
How do you pronounce your first name?
Lamont, L-A-M-O-N-T.
It's gonna be on camera if you did.
And what's your last name?
Wilkerson, W-I-L-K-E-R-S-O-N. Okay.
Are you traveling with anybody else?
Yes, my little brother, he right there.
Okay. Did he check a bag?
I'm not sure.
What's your little brother's last name?
Same as yours?
No. He right there. He right there, talk to the lady.
Black jacket?
Yes.
Match yours?
Why don't you know his last name?
Right here? Are you traveling with this gentleman right here? Yeah. Can we get you to step around the corner and speak with us as well? Go ahead and grab your bag.
What's going on?
Do you have your ID on you?
Yes.
Dude, which one? Which one do you think it is? I feel like this guy sitting down maybe is looking a little more suspicious.
Have a seat and we'll explain everything. So this is your brother.
Yeah.
Come over here. Blood related, or how come you guys don't have the same last name?
What? I'm trying to see what's going on though.
Okay. Did you guys check in the bag?
Check in.
Yep. Under the plane.
Right.
Is it your bag or is it his bag?
What? What bag?
The bag that's under Wilkinson's name.
What happened though?
Hey, so you didn't check a bag? You don't know if he checked the bag?
Man, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's early in the morning.
Okay.
First it was no, and then now it was, oh, I'm not sure, it's an early morning. So I think it's him.
I'm handcuffed. I ain't expect all this. I'm just trying to get home.
The other guy actually looks confused. He actually is like, what's going on?
Chicago's home.
Not necessarily Indiana.
Oh, okay.
We have a bag that was checked under Wilkinson's name. Okay, that's why we're here. So we're just trying to figure out what's going on, why TSA called us over here in reference to that bag. You have any idea of what I'm talking about?
Okay. That's what I'm trying to see. Like.
Well, if it doesn't involve you, so did you check in the bag? Do you have any luggage under the plane?
Nah.
You don't have any luggage.
Oh, why are you saying under the plane? Like, I feel like it's just like.
That's my brother.
So he has luggage.
Yeah.
That
We all
he checked
got luggage. Yeah.
Okay, that you guys checked in under the plane.
Yeah.
Okay. What bag? Did you have a marking on your bag?
Nah. That's just that flower bag. That's the only bag we check in.
Okay. Did he check it in or did you check it in?
My brother. It's not his name.
So why are you flying to Chicago if you're
Obviously,
in Indiana?
they don't have the same last
I
name.
just came to visit I just went down for a visit.
Oh, okay.
I went down from
Bro, she's terrible at getting answers out of him, like asking the questions.
Indiana. I went to the Midwest, Chicago.
Okay.
Texas.
Okay.
I've been down there all weekend.
Okay. So is there any reason why TSA would have called us?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know. I'm just going on the phone.
We just have a bag that we're investigating, and we're trying to
Oh,
figure
this
out
is going
what's in
nowhere.
the bag, why TSA would call us for this bag, and they identified this bag, which comes back to your brother. He's
My flight's ain't coming. What's going on? Like,
Y'all not making the flight. Y'all not with the pace this shit's going. You're not making the flight.
So you're just detained right now. We have a bag under your name, so that's why we're asking if you checked the bag.
Bag under my name.
Yeah.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
I was literally just gonna pay for the upgrade.
Okay.
Do you want to stay with your brother, or do you want to go catch a flight? I mean, if you're not saying the bag's yours, I mean it's not yours. If you didn't check it in, he checked it in, then we just gotta ask him some few more questions. So
yeah, what happened?
he said it was a floral with flowers on it.
Okay.
But they just said they checked in one bag altogether, but it was his bag that they checked in.
What bag? The name was it?
His name.
Right, that's what I'm saying. What I got? Oh.
So, I mean, if you don't want to be here, you don't have to be here. So if you didn't check any bags, then we just gotta talk to him. If you said that was his bag.
I'm trying to figure out. You saying
What name?
y'all? I'm trying to see what's going on.
We have a bag under your name.
You have a bag on my name.
Yeah.
Oh, and it must contain something that it should contain. I don't know how y'all.
And of course, he's gonna say he doesn't know. He's trying to just hoping that you guys will let him go, being like, "Oh, I don't know whose bag that is. That's not mine."
I'll take my carry-on real quick.
Yeah, you can go check your carry-on.
Check this out.
Okay, so you told me you didn't check in the bag, but your brother said you did check in the bag. So you did check in the bag?
I haven't checked anything. These are two bags I came with, sir. I can't speak for nobody else.
Okay.
I'm saying, these are my two bags. Y'all can go through.
Bro, it's terrible line.
Money in one of them, and I ain't gonna lie. I don't know nothing. She just telling me she caught a bag. I don't know. That's my name.
Do you have a time on that ticket? We can call MCR and find out exactly who put it.
Yeah.
Issue date 6:08 a.m.
All right.
See, and he's saying he didn't take a bag.
No, but his brother said that was his bag that he checked, but he's saying he didn't check any bag. So we're just trying to figure out whose bag it is. Your brother already said it's your bag.
It's my bag?
Yeah, it was a floral bag. He said it was yours. You checked it in, okay? That's where we're at. But then you're telling me it's not your bag. So I got two different stories.
He's gone. The brother's gone. He's already on the plane.
Said that so my two bags was right here. These the only two
So
bags I
why
came
is it checked in under your name?
I'm not sure. It's been all type of complications with me getting through. They said I was fraud at first when I came through because my last name didn't say Junior because I'm a junior and it was they was gonna say it was my dad and they weren't gonna let me through with that. I was having a problem with that at first. I've been having problems since I got here at 6 a.m. like 5 a.m. These are my only two bags I came with.
I understand. So you're saying these are the only two bags you came with?
My only bags.
But your brother is telling us that you checked in a floral bag. Do you know what he's talking about then? So why would he say that?
I don't know. Y'all go get him. I don't know. But y'all check the cameras. These two bags I came in.
So he's lying to us, is what you're saying.
I don't even know what he's told y'all.
I just told you what he told you, that you checked in a floral bag. One bag, floral bag, you guys checked it in. No. You checked it in, and it's under your name.
I didn't check no bag, and I didn't pay for no bag.
Right, he's messing up his words and stuff. He's like talking faster than he's thinking.
I didn't do anything.
So why is he
we
saying
get to the point.
otherwise?
Go check the camera.
Sir, I don't know. I don't even know. I'm literally telling you everything I know. To check everything.
Okay, any reason why TSA would call us, the police, to come respond to this location?
Sir, this completely has me in shock. I don't have anything I shouldn't have in either of my bags.
That's what we're doing. I'm going to let you know the process we're doing. We're seeing who carried in that bag and who checked it in. But at the end of the day, the bag's under your name, and I'm trying to figure out why is it under your name.
I get that, sir. I don't understand why it's in my name. There's been a lot of miscellaneous things going on since I've been here to check in.
Yeah, but your brother doesn't work for the airport, and he said it was your bag.
Okay.
The problem we're having.
Did your brother check in a bag on your behalf?
What I'm saying.
Did your brother check in?
Going on every step to get in here since I've been here, literally.
Did your brother check in a bag on your behalf?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We go out when we start registering for things and put our information in, do our thing. We go to different registers.
So you didn't come in together?
We did come in. We get coming together. He has his girlfriend with him, and we split ways. You see what I'm saying? Okay. And we handle our business. But if you take the camera, you see how he had those two bags. Yeah.
So your brother told us this is the bag and that it's yours. Now, if your brother
okay,
just threw you under the bus, also
so you can't tell me my brother linked that back to me because he knows that isn't my bag.
He told me directly to my face that was your bag and you checked it in.
I would not question him anymore because now that the plane is gone, what a reasonable person, you know. So just wait and see if we get the picture.
Yeah, bro, you gotta think like you came to get to your flight, and then now you're just gonna be already left, and you're just chilling here, calm. You know, you're not like rambunctious, like pissed off. These guys are holding you, like you're just detained. You're not arrested. If there's nothing, I want to leave. Like that's what a normal innocent person would say.
64. Follow them. They ID'd him. They ID'd him. So at this point, you have been ID'd as the person carrying the bag in. So you are being placed under arrest.
Oh,
There's
he was on camera.
Marijuana in the bag and a stolen firearm.
And you're being arrested before.
Well, it was a stolen firearm. That's even worse.
Right? You got a felonies, so you can possess a firearm regardless. So, felony possession, okay?
No.
All right, we're done.
I'm gonna have you step down right in front of the car.
All right, so since you have a lot of stuff, I'm gonna do a double check to make sure you don't have anything on you, all right? Mm-hmm. You absolutely don't have anything inside pockets anywhere on you?
Just checking, I don't have anything.
Okay. Because usually some of these jackets, sometimes like this inside pocket. No, they're going to do that at the jail, but if you have anything in your shoes and you try to bring it into the jail, then that's another charge. You really don't want another charge for bringing something.
Damn.
All right, just so you know that we went line to you. That's you pulling the back right here. Okay.
Yep. Got nothing to say, bro. Come on, man. How long you been for that?
We're gonna get in on this side.
Especially as a felon
okay,
having a
best way is
firearm.
to go in with your left foot and just kind of slide.
Is it light?
That makes sense. Still talk.
Yeah, appreciate you.
along with possession of a controlled
Oh, here
possession
we
of
go. Here we go.
marijuana,
Here we go.
after officers seized approximately 10 pounds of marijuana,
10
along with possession of a
pounds.
controlled substance, theft of a firearm, and unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon.
Bruh.
Approximately $10,000 in U.S. currency was also seized as evidence. Although we were unable to locate any public updates on the outcome of that case, records show that on July 26, 2025, the same individual was arrested in Gary, Indiana, in connection with a homicide that occurred earlier that month. He was charged with murder and unlawful possession of a handgun and was being held at the Lake County Jail at the time of that arrest.
What? He got out?
In connection with a homicide that occurred earlier that month. Locate any public updates on the outcome of that case. Records show that on July 26, 2020.
So he didn't even get convicted, and he just got out and then killed somebody, and then went back to jail. What a loser! What a terrible loser! Wow. Actually, a really good video from Police Release. That's the first time I've watched one of them. Maybe gonna be watching more of those. I didn't mind that. That was very like standard, police body cam stuff. So not bad, not bad, not bad.